We have a lot of patients coming in asking about non-surgical or non-invasive facelift. There are a variety of different gimmicky names out there for techniques that people use or combinations of techniques. Realistically, when we're going in the non-invasive realm, we're looking at either skin tightening, thread lifting, or volumization. Those are the main categories that we look at. I myself prefer to send patients for skin tightening. My favorite, most effective skin tightening is the profound radiofrequency. It works over one session, tends to get about a 30% improvement in shadowing and laxity around the face, which is more than any other one can do without deflating you. So it's a very healthy way to go. After doing that, I have the patients come back anywhere after 2 weeks, and we put little bits of volume in the face with filler. Alternatively, if the patient's able to, we do fat grafting or nanofat at the same time as the profound, and they get a much better, more impressive result, which is also longer lasting and makes the skin look amazing. What we do there is we take fat from the abdomen or the thigh, we break it down into something called nanofat, which is the cream of fat, which gives you adipose-derived stem cells or mesenchymal stem cells. We mix that with PRP, which is a platelet-rich plasma derived from your blood, inject that into the face, and now you get some really nice rejuvenation. Other patients need a little bit of fat grafting, so we put little tiny bits here and there. I don't like to overgraft the face with fat because it might change in the future. Thread lifts are used as well. I personally don't use them, but there are other doctors who do a pretty good job with them. Other than that, when you're looking at non-invasive lifts, you don't get a very big, substantial result from any other kind of deep thread lift or anything else that's used. So I like to stick to the simple stuff, do something that's healthy and nice, and you just have to do one time. And don't ever think that a non-surgical lift is going to get you the result of a surgical.